This is a song called At About Midnight. The last couple years have been the hardest of my life. I come from an abusive background. I have a lot of physical abuse in my past. And any girl who's ever been through that, which is 1 out of 4 of us, by the way, 1 out of 4 women have been through physical abuse or will go through physical abuse by the time they die. So don't look too far and don't point your fingers too far. It's a pretty normal thing in our world. We don't talk about it much, but it's pretty normal. And it shouldn't be, but it is. And this song was when I was at the bottom, trying to figure out how to glorify God in the middle of a situation I didn't understand. And anyways, I hope it meets you where you're at. I know it's hot and rainy, but this is as much of my heart as I can give you in one song. So here you go. At about midnight I'll call. Yes, at about midnight I will call out your name, 'cause I need you beside me through these seasons of change. Oh, so at about midnight, late in the storm, yes, I'll find contentment, Lord, just singing out your songs. And here in this valley, though the shadows lead my way, yes, I know that you're with me, where the past meets today.